I'm going to tell you a story here. The other day, I got together with some buddies of mine, some old school chums. Hadn't seen in like 3 years. We're sitting outside on the patio because it's a nice sunny day. Thought I'd experiment with this cocktail that I'm going to present for you today. We're sitting around enjoying our drink, and all of a sudden these wasps appear out of nowhere. Right? Just, whoa, we want a cocktail too, right? But there wasn't just, one or two. I don't know, there must have been at least a dozen or more, right? One of them, actually two of them, flew up my shirt and stung me. And I just panicked because now there's like 24 of them. And they decided they are going to chase me. So I start running. And I trip, I fall, and I bash my nose on the ground, and I'm bleeding, and now I've got this wonderful scar here. I don't know. Anyway, that's how it played out. But we did get a cocktail out of it. Okay, let's make this thing. And one more thing, the stinger is still in there. I know it is. Yeah, I know it is. It's not a great story, but that's what happened. Let's make this cocktail. We're going to start with some rosemary. I love rosemary. We're going to grab a sprig here, and we're just going to grab the needles off there. We don't really want the stem. Don't really need it. Actually, there's got to be an easier way. Yeah, like that. There we go. Cha-cha. Sprig of 1 rosemary, the needles. To this, we're going to add a 1/4 ounce of fresh pressed lemon juice. That looks about right. Right there, yeah. Awesome. Followed by a bar spoon of simple syrup. Nice. And finally, the grape syrup. Last time we made grape syrup. Grapey, I gotta taste some. Ooh, nice and thick. Oh. Welch's ain't got nothing on me. That's good. It's really, really grapey. We're gonna go for 1 full ounce.
Tell them you're at home what's going on upstairs.
Yeah. I don't know whether you can hear that or not. I'm cat sitting, and the cat is beating up his tail. Can you hear that? If you want to know how to make your own grape syrup, just check out the link here. It's really grapey. Okay, what we want to do is get in here and muddle the lemon juice, the simple syrup, the grape syrup, which is not that sweet really, and the rosemary needles. I think I'm in. To this wonderful mix, we're going to add some brandy. Now, you don't have to use an expensive brandy. You could if you wanted to, but you really don't have to. I just have Marquis de Villard here. It's a nice brandy. There's a certain sweetness going on with it that I like. Fruity, Sweetie. Why brandy? Well, brandy is made from grapes. Grape syrup, brandy, made total sense to me. 1.5 ounces. We're going to follow this with Galliano Vanilla. Getting low again. 1/2 ounce. There we go. 1 ounce of heavy cream. In this case, I'm just using 1/2 and 1/2. And Angostura bitters, a good dash. Throw in some ice. Pop a lid on. How are we shaking? Oh, shake it grapey. That's good. I've got this wonderful chilled cocktail glass here. We're just going to fine strain it out. Nice. Look at this wonderful purple color. It's beautiful. 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 It's thick with needles in there, I'm a-thinking. There we go. That's nice. All right, and all we need is a garnish. I've got some rosemary here, nice little sprig here, and we're gonna torch it. Yeah, oh yeah, torch it. Burn it, baby. And there you have Across the Grape Divide. Look at this thing. This is marvelous. Let's give it a go. Obviously, the first thing I get is the burnt rosemary. It's beautiful. You know what it's like? It's like drinking an adult grape juice. It really is. There's enough kick from the brandy, and the Galliano seems to just meld it all together. Yeah, burning the rosemary obviously doesn't add to the drink as far as taste is concerned. It does add to the aroma. Yeah, you get the burnt rosemary, you get the grape. Why rosemary, you ask? Well, for starters, rosemary pairs really, really nice with grapes. It really does. Also, rosemary is a good source of iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. It's full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. Bottom line, rosemary can actually help improve your memory, boost alertness and focus. Now this is funny. Historically, it's associated with remembrance. Rosemary was presented to bridegrooms on the morning of their wedding as a reminder to be faithful. It's a beautiful thing. Give it a go. Let me know what you think. Across the Grape Divide. I don't know what that was. So we're sitting there trying to enjoy ourselves, and one of these wasps goes up my...
What's he doing?
I think he's chasing his tail. He does that.
That just like sounds vicious.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, he's trying to get my attention. Dottie, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's okay, buddy. Oh my God, you're so sensitive. Oh yes, I know, I know. You've had like 3 brushings today. Yes, you have. Okay, okay. I gotta go, buddy. Okay, so let's try and pick it up again. What's that?
Take it from the top.
Take it from the top. I know. How did I start this thing? Oh, I'm going to tell you a story. All right, burn, baby, burn. Yeah, you got to get your torch out and burn through some of these other episodes here. And, whoa, I'm on fire. Hit the subscribe button and, you know, the little bell notification, all that stuff helps with the algorithms and make across the Grape Divide.